Hi, I've just been talking at All Energy about the importance of technology innovation to the development of offshore wind. We need to see offshore wind prices getting down to perhaps less than £90 a megawatt hour by 2030 for offshore wind to become a really important part of the UK's offshore wind mix without the need for heavy subsidy. And technology can play a really important role in actually achieving that. Within the ETI, we've actually got several projects underway that will really be quite important in this area. The first one I talked about was our floating offshore wind demonstrator project. This is a project where we're looking at putting a tension leg platform into the Wave Hub site in North Cornwall with an Alstom 6 megawatt turbine on top of it. And it will actually help to demonstrate that technology in a real working environment. If our calculations are correct, this in itself as a single technology could almost help drive down costs down to that £90 a megawatt area. So really quite a potentially exciting project. The second project I talked about was our Long Blades project. And in that project, we're actually looking at a platform that will allow wind turbine blades to get even bigger, going from perhaps the current 80 metres where they are at the moment, up to 100 metres and more. And we're working with a company called Blade Dynamics, who are very, very innovative manufacturing technology that actually allows a very high quality, tightly quality controlled components to be made, and resulting in much, much lighter blades. We think that as well could lead to energy cost reductions of 3 to 5%, so actually extremely important. And then the other thing I just briefly touched on was our investment in the test rig at Narek. Fair to say, I think, that in terms of questions, people are extremely interested in what we're doing, the breadth of the ETI's activities, very interested in our involvement and working with Wave Hub, and also a strong recognition that within our tension leg platform, the floating platform project, the real challenge is going to be a cost-effective anchoring system, which is a risk that we've well understood.